Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to update the display adapters on Windows 11. So let's get started. I will tell you the best and simple steps. So go to search bar and type device manager. Open device manager. Maximize this window, and in the left side you can see the listed driver list. So search for display adapters. As you can see here, right click on it and you can see this option, graphics option. Again right click on it and go to the update driver option. Now you can see the two options here: search automatic for drivers as well as browse my computer for drivers. So you have to click on first one. In my case, I have already updated my display adapters. You can check in your PC or laptop whether you got an update or not. So after checking this up, close this window, again close this window. Now move to search bar and type settings. Open settings. Now in the left side you can see all the listed settings. So go to the last one, Windows Update, and click for check for updates. Now it will take some time, I guess to 30 seconds up to, and it will tell you whether you got an update or not for display adapters. Till then you can like my video and subscribe my channel. I keep bringing the best videos for the Windows 11 on internet, and it will tell you the all other devices driver as well as. So if you got an update, download and install the latest drivers to keep your laptop smooth and working. And now you can see my display adapter drivers up to date. So guys, this was a video on how to update your display drivers. I hope you like the video, and thanks for watching.